Hi friends, good morning. My name is Achyut and I'm from Isaac. So today in this class, we will learn what are the requirements that we need to do to run the JavaScript problems. So what are the requirements? So we need Node and Visual Studio to run the JavaScript problem. To run the JavaScript programs, what we need? We have to need Node and Java Visual Studio Code. So you can go to the Chrome like this and you can search here node.js. So you will get node.js around JavaScript everywhere. And you can click on this and you can click on the download button and start download. So it will be downloaded and open folder, and the node folder will be open, and click on the node. So click on after the clicking on this pop-up will be appeared, and click on next. And I have already installed the node. So that's why I'm just removing the node again and I will install it. So I removed. So I'm just removing the node and I will again install the node for you people to understand. So why I'm removing the node? Because I want to install it again to show you how to install the node. I'm just removing the node.js. That's it. So it's removing the node.js. Okay. And it's removing the backup files and it's finished. So now click on the downloaded file. Click on the downloaded file and click on next and accept the license and click on next. And this is the path where this node is stored. Node.js. Click on next and click on next. And see here, automatically install the necessary tools. Note that this will also install Chocolate. The script will pop up in a new window after the installation completes. So check this box. So it will install the necessary tools and click on next and click on install. So then you will get this pop-up. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? And click on next. Then it's validate and it will install the node.js. So this is how we can install the node.js. That is copying the new files and publishing products, and the node is installed. Node is installed, and you have to, after installing, it will ask to press key to download the additional tools. So press enter here and again press enter. Then it will install the required tools and it will open the Windows PowerShell, and based on that it will install the required tools. You can see it now. So you can see the Chocolate is installing and Python Visual Studio workload, and you can all the required tools I have installed, and if you want to exit from this, you can press the enter button. So this is how we can install the node.js. So if you want to check whether it is installed or not, press Windows R and here press CMD. CMD will be open and press node. See, welcome to node.js 20.13.1. This is the node we have installed. This is the node we have installed. And another thing is Visual Studio. Visual Studio. And click on Visual Studio and download button, and you can see the required download buttons. But I have already installed in my system the Visual Studio, but I will try again for you people. So click on Windows button and start download. So the Visual Studio will be installed. The Visual Studio will be installed. So this is how we can So how to use Visual Studio and all those things I will explain in the next video. So what are the features are there and all those things. So it's open. I'm opening the folder and I will open the Visual Studio application. So I accept the agreement and click on next and create desktop icon. Click on all the checkboxes and click next and press on install and it prepare to install and it will install the required things which is required to install the Visual Studio. And you can see the path here. See all the details were installing. So this is how we can install the Visual Studio. So these are extracting files. So it's completed and finished. And you can see the Visual Studio. You can see the Visual Studio. Visual Studio. So this is how we can install the Visual Studio. This is how we can install the Visual Studio. And here I'm opening the a folder. I'm opening the a folder. So how can we open? So here can so here let's wait. So here you're having file and you can add a folder to workspace. So you can have different folders like. So click on Control Shift plus N. The new folder will be open and you can type the JavaScript programs and add that workspace here and add here. See the JavaScript programs workspace is added, right? So here you can create a new file called hello.js and click on the hello.js and here we can write the program console.log I am Iron Man. So we can write the console.log I am Iron Man. How can we run the program? Like so, just minimize it and click on these three buttons. And here you having the terminal, right? Click on new terminal and this is the Java program, right? So this is the path. This is the path. So here you can write node hello.js. See, we got the output. So this is how we can run the JavaScript programs. So what are the requirements we need? We have to need Node and Visual Studio to run the JavaScript programs. So in the upcoming video, I will tell how to use these Visual Studio and what are the features involved and how can we include these features into our system. So that's it, friends. If you find this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube. Otherwise, you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.